So for this game, for Project 3, I made an infinite runner where the player controls their gravity to navigate through space. So how it actually works is the player is stationary on the x-axis while the platforms work proactively to move left. And once a platform comes out of the screen entirely, it gets deleted and a new platform is generated. So also, the player is basically controlling gravity themselves. So if they press spacebar or click the screen, they will change the way they're falling. And when they hit a platform, they are on ground and they get boosted up, so they're on the same level as the platform, as they should be. So what's cool about this project is that the platform art, the pickup art, as well as 2/3 of the parallaxing background. So the asteroids are made by someone else, but the space clouds and the stars are made by myself personally. What's also cool and above and beyond is the potential for this game to go as infinitely far as the player's skill. So what the platforms are generated on this offset based off of the speed that the player is going, and this speed can go infinitely fast. As long as the player is surviving for long enough, it can go really far. And it gets adjusted when the pickup slows down time. It isn't noticeable because it gets lerped. But in addition to that, this is also adjustable by resolution. So if I refresh the screen, it'll go and fit this resolution perfectly. It won't refresh if you adjust it like this. But when you hit Control-Shift-R again, it will adjust there. And this is also a good above and beyond thing. So to overcome my serious challenges, I used a lot of console log outputs. So basically, this platform would always end up causing me a lot of issues with the platform boosting and the landing and sound effect. It would launch at every frame as long as I was on that platform. So I used a heavy amount of console logs to see the data that I was getting. I also had my friends help me playtest to test the resolution thing to see if it would actually work. While it is adjustable, I'd say it gets more difficult the smaller resolution you have, which is also a unique challenge. So the resources I used include the Dowichin pixijs tutorials. They were very helpful for a lot of the stuff I did. I used the parallaxing background. I made sure I did all the preloading assets and the CSS sprites. I used the preloader that he used. I also used OpenGameArt to get some assets like the music, the asteroids, and the player walk cycle. And finally, I used jsfxr.me. Well, it was sfxr.me. It's named jsfxr. To make different sound effects for my character. And that was really helpful to make simple 8-bit style sound assets. Okay. Thank you very much.